Hello there and welcome to the series of Advanced GRE English Vocabulary for sure success in CSS, PMS, PCS, UPSC and other competitive exams. In this series I cover 3500 words of GRE vocabulary and in each video I cover 10 words. So today is video number 23. So let's get started. So the first word is Bame. Bame is an adjective. The meaning is of the air, weather, etc. warm and pleasant. If the air or a weather is warm and pleasant, we call it balmy weather or pleasant weather or balmy air. Synonym is mild. Example is a balmy summer evening, a pleasant summer evening. Second word is banal. Banal is also adjective. It is meaning is very ordinary. If a person or a thing is very ordinary or very common, so it is a banal. Example is a banal conversation about the weather. A very common or ordinary conversation about the weather. Next word is bandy about or bandy around. About and around are prepositions, and you know that if you are aspirant, you know that prepositions play a vital role in writing. So must pay attention on learning prepositions as well. The meaning is if a name, a word, a story is bandied about or bandied around, it is mentioned frequently by many people. Means people mostly talk about the story or mention again and again about that very incident or that very story. Example is his name was being bandied about as a future prime minister. When everybody was talking about his name that he would be a prime minister or future prime minister or next prime minister. Next word is ban. Ban is also noun, something that causes trouble and makes people unhappy. The meaning, the sentence is poor train service has been the bane of commuters for years. Means the poor train service has been the cause of trouble and make people unhappy for years. Next word is bantering. Bantering is an adjective. It is of a way of talking that is amusing and unfriendly. If a way of talking is amusing and unfriendly, so it is a bantering way of talking. The example is there was a friendly, bantering tone in his voice. Next word is barb. Barb is a noun, a remark that is meant to hurt somebody's feeling. If somebody is putting such a remarks and he is intentionally hurting somebody's feelings, so it is a barb. We call it a criticism, or it is a criticism and open criticism. The sentence is the accusation that she did not trust him was a barb. Seventh word in the row is bard. That was a barb and it is a bard. It is also a noun, a person who writes poems. The Bard of Avon. Next word is barefaced. Barefaced is an adjective that is showing that you do not care about offending somebody or about behaving badly. Means you don't care about your attitude that hurts people or make them unhappy. Synonyms are bald-faced or blatant. Example is a, a bare-faced lie. Means he was lying without any hesitation, or he was behaving or lying courageously without considering others' feeling. Last but not the least is Baroque. Baroque is a noun. The meaning is the grand and highly decorated style used in European architecture, art, music in the 17th century and early 18th century. Early 18th and 17th century of art and architecture of Europe is a Baroque. The example is painting representative of the Baroque. So thank you. This was the words of the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Those who are listening me on social media, please visit CSS Access YouTube channel for more videos and for more updates.